Our office building is designed in a classic and timeless facade draped with huge fenestration windows, cornices, and door frames.
Hey guys, I'm Nikita Bhatia from Nightingale Creative Design Studio. Come on in.
As you enter, the reception area you see is warm and inviting with a fresh play of colors in terms of furniture and upholstery. The wooden CNC makes it look even more detailed. Inside we have a luxury client room. The automated touch panels, fully upholstered Chesterfield sofa in fresh mint, paired with the accent chairs and metallic tables are our hot favorites. The vintage clock at the corner, the white moldings, the classic chandelier combines together to make a formal yet lasting impression. Next level, we have a spectacular dynamic team of architects, structural engineers and 3D designers. We do everything in-house and nothing that we outsource. NCDS believes in being technologically very sound, hence we have installed the best of the systems and printers for everyone to use. This another floor has a very interesting play of a geometrical pattern followed throughout the space. This area has a most talented and creative team of interior designers who are the people behind our world-class designs that you see. Everyone works collectively and cohesively to exchange their thoughts and ideas. Comes next is the most favorite of all the areas, that's my cabin. It is gorgeously done in deep blue sofas, center table in leathery, the beautiful terrarium, mother of pearl vases and the entire setup brings in so much of warmth and personal touch to the complete space. The cabin is shared by Abhijit, my main, the principal designer, and there views out something very creative when we both sit and work together. Our office is almost the place where we live and work together. We are the parents to two beautiful small daughters, hence we also have a small separate area designed for them. This is the only way to strike a balance between our personal and professional life. The top level is an open-closed cafeteria which is the heart of the office where the NCDS family unwinds and eats together. It's quite a hot spot having bright colors and an open area to chill. It perfectly embodies the essence of the open and collaborative team culture and the common love for architecture and interiors we all share under one common roof, Nightingale Creative Design Studio.